Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to customize your Wix checkout page? This essential video will walk you through editing the design and settings of your checkout page, enhancing your customer experience. Let's edit your checkout page today in Wix. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first, guys, go ahead and open manage.wix.com, which is basically your Wix dashboard. Right after you do so, simply just open one of your sites if you don't have one already. If you don't, you simply have to create a new site just by clicking on this blue button. Now for us, we simply have to go through this. Make sure that you have an e-commerce website. With that, you'll be able to see some of the settings that will be locked for you. So let's go ahead and go to the settings and edit our website dashboard. Now, once you open it, you will find these things right here. First of all, the most important part about it is to set a payment. So you should here in the payment to set up your payment method, because this payment method will basically be used to get payments from other people, from your customers. So unless you don't want to get paid, well, you have to fix that. So basically, for example, let me just go back here and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's edit the site. So when the customer actually goes to the website and go throughout your checkout, if there is no information about your payment method, well, basically, first of all, he will not get the access to any of the checkout informations. And then, of course, even if it got somehow, you will not get the money, because the money will not be sent to any bank account. It's going to be an empty bank account. So yeah, you have to check that out. Now after you set that, you have to go to the settings, and from that you have to go to the checkout. Here you can customize your checkout form, set policies, manage orders, emails, and more. Let's click on it. So from this area, as you can see, guys, you will have this page full of options that we are going to talk about exactly all about it in this video. So let's talk first about let's start by the checkout itself. So let's customize the checkout. So what you will usually do, click here and click on edit, and that will open this page that will have everything that you need to adjust in a checkout page. Well, normally, guys, when you try to make a checkout page, you always want to make it as simple as possible. Making a complicated checkout page will get your sales and conversion rates to be as low as it can be. So what you usually have to do, simple, just go ahead and try to get these to be simplistic way. For example, do not ask for so many details. There's some checkout page that I have gone through that's literally ask me, I'm literally buying like a PC, and they are literally asking me in the checkout page, are you married? Like, what the hell are you going to do with this information? This is, and the fact that it is required, also this star means that it is required, is really annoying. So even if you want to have extra information about your clients, maybe you are collecting data somehow using this e-commerce website, do not make it required, because it can get your customers to get away from your site. And even if you're collecting data, when the customer is not submitting, is not answering the questions, then you are not getting any data. So at least make sure that your customer detail is very simple. Have an email so you can contact them, have first name and last name, have a phone number, and to make sure that delivery guy can contact them also. Here the country, so you can have delivery informations. So the country, the address, the city, the zip code, all of these are necessary, of course, but other than that, there is no other thing that you might add. Of course, if that was an order that can be personalized, then you could add, for example, a text where they can add for example, like we can add like a field. Yeah, you can add like short answer, long answer. You can keep it like short, long answer. So you could have here like customer personalization or notes. So you can leave like a customer note here, which is pretty good. They will not have right here your notes, and basically you have here like kind of like a header that says customer notes, where it's gonna be writing these notes, leaving informations about the product itself, but otherwise it's not really that helpful if you went for it. It's not really helpful at all. I highly recommend you guys to actually manage to get your product page to be, or the checkout page to be, as simplistic as this. Of course, you can add things, as you can see here. You can add all of these: short answer, long answer, number, link, email, phone, single choice, multi-choice, drop down, checkbox. All of these can be added just from you. You could add company name in case you would like to add a company name. There is a lot of things to add, but try to make it as minimalistic as possible can. Then of course you can preview it just like that. This is how it's gonna look when it comes to the checkout, so you can have a look into it. So here it is. Here you will have like the order summary, the payment, the total, the taxes, etc. So make sure to save it once you have done with the editing. Now, since I am done, the next step is basically to add policies. It's very important to add policies box so they can accept and verify the policies and condition policies. Here, return policy, you have to add them also, so in case there was any problem in the future, there might be something that you have to do in order to actually fix that. So make sure to actually do so. Fix these three, manage to put all your information right here, and just like that you will be able to actually manage all of these things that you have to do. Also, there is something that you have to add is payments, which is gift cards. Gift card will let your customers to get motivated more to actually pay and buy from your site. That's something that people are using for a reason, so do not think that it is stupid. Nope, people are actually having this gift card and invoices used for a specific reason, so make sure to always have them turned on. And this is basically it for your checkout page. In case you would like to actually redesign it, well, unfortunately the checkout page cannot be redesigned as design wise in UX unless you go for the premium version and you do some HTML work, which gonna be taking you a lot of time and a lot of understanding of the coding, word, etc. But what we try to cover in this video is the simple way to actually manage the checkout page. So in case you would like to go to pages, you can find here everything, and let's go to store pages. Here you can find your product page, shop, and cart page, so you can literally visit them here and change them. But as you can see, the checkout page is not one of the pages that you can edit in this area, so that's all you can get to. You can only like affect and change a couple of pages, not all of them. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you do have any more questions or problems that you have faced during this video, make sure to mention them down below in the comment section so I can cover all of your questions and problems. So that was it. Thank you guys all for watching, and if before I end this video, before I finish it, make sure that you save everything that you've done so you don't lose anything. So if you added anything in the product page, make sure to publish it and save everything that you are doing in your website. And yeah, this was it. See you guys in the next tutorial.